We've had this HexClad 12-inch hybrid wok for about 6 months now. We do love it. We do not use it very often. It is on the more expensive side, but we got a deal through Costco when we bought it. When we bought our pans, this was included. But I am going to talk about what we love about it, if it's worth purchasing. Today I'm going to be making a pasta dish that I've made multiple times in this. It's just pasta aglio. So, adding a bunch of oil in here right now that I'm going to kind of infuse with some garlic and red pepper flake. So this is great for, I use it a lot for pastas. I do cut up some steak or chicken and I'll cook it in here. I've done fried rice in it. So it did really well with the fried rice. And then I've done a little bit of stir fry in there. It's got the same lip as all of the other pots and pans. If you can kind of see it, which is nice. So when you're pouring it, you don't have to worry about that dripping off over the edge. It does come with a lid as well. If it's something where you're not going to use a whole lot, it may not be worth it. But if you love doing fried rice, stir fries, pastas, sauces, this is great for it. I'm using our other pot over there to, cook the pasta. So I need a free pot here, so that I can get the sauce started going. I'm literally just going to cook this on a low heat and then I'll toss in the pasta later. Love the non-stick function of it. Love that it is easy to clean, easy to store. You can stack. I stack the bigger, larger pot in this one when I'm storing it. Here's the finished product. This was a pound of linguine. You can see that it fits in the wok perfectly. We're dealing with butter, so there's going to be a little bit of a mess with that, but just love the way that it can hold a lot of pasta, it can hold a lot of rice. If you do fried rice, it can hold a lot of stir fry, so it's great for that. And then I am weird, and I like to be fancy with my plating, so I actually use, for this dish, I use a carving fork, and what I like to do is get in there, twirl some pasta, and then I like to plate it. We hope that you give it a chance. We do love it.